Can you see yourself in the 2019 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a closer look at this stylish Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, the subcompact luxury SUV with all-weather capability, lively performance, and undeniable high-end panache. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Make the most of the drive in this exceptional Range Rover Evoque. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.